Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Jones and I work for Lincoln University of Missouri for the Division of Educational Innovations and Extended Studies. And today I will be showing you how to upload a file into Canvas. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the far left side of the page and scroll down until you see File and select File. Once you select File, you're going to go over to the far right side where it says Upload, and you're going to select Upload. Then you're going to select your file that you're wanting and select Open. Once you have completed that, you will see that your file has been uploaded into Canvas. We hope this was helpful for you. Hope you have a great day.